My series portrays a theatrical take on modern-day pharmacy. My intended audience are Australians and anyone who has been inside an Australian pharmacy. Through this series, I will attempt to challenge the norms of the way society views pharmacy and to evoke a sense of criticalness in the way we approach healthcare. I want the audience to judge in a somewhat severe manner. Therefore, I have used a theatrical and exaggerated view to emphasize the emotions I am communicating, which include anxiety, fear, and nervousness, and a sense of feeling unsettled. These kinds of feelings are very confronting, so I aim to communicate this through emphasizing lines such as the crack on the medicine crusher to make it stand out and appear harsher. I have created these exaggerated lines and shadows by carefully contrasting the strong light that is present in this environment. This kind of lighting, as well as the dramatic and intimate viewpoints, such as looking straight up towards the sky in the first image or very close up to the subject in the last, suggests a confronting and pervasiveness. Backlighting and side lighting is a repetitive theme throughout this series, which helps establish my concept by creating a feeling of mystery. This is not a feeling traditionally felt when entering a pharmacy, therefore it reinforces this concept of contradiction. I also make use of the negative space in some of the photographs to help reinforce this feeling of mystery and theatrics. Black and white adds to this theatrical notion because it is not how society would usually see traditional images of a pharmacy, and also makes it easier to emphasize dark lines and shadows. I have used contrasting to add to the harshness of these images. All of these elements illustrate my concept, which is a contradiction of the visual perception of what a pharmacy should look like. The main difficulty I have encountered in this series is finding the right lighting to communicate my concept in an environment that is naturally very descriptive. However, by allowing my images to be quite theatrical, I have had a lot of opportunities to build my concept through form and content, with an emphasis on theatrical lighting.